Hello my Smartie Cutie friends. I hope you are doing good. Today I will show you science experiment kit. Where it is. I'm tired. I will sleep now. My science kit! Yay! This is my science experiment kit. I got it from Science Fusion. There are 3 kits in this box. 1, 2, 3. Today we will see magnetic kit. Are you excited to open it? Me too. Let's have a look. This is the magnetic kit. Let's read this. These are the things in the magnetic kit. This is use guide. This is bar magnet, horseshoe magnet. This is ring magnet. This is also ring magnet. This is iron filling. This is lodestone. This is cardboard. Pins. This is clay dough. This is plate of plastic. Now we will start the experiment. Now we will start the first experiment. Now I have few things here. Now we will check which is magnetic thing and which is non-magnetic thing. No, 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 no. Pin is a magnetic thing. Now screwdriver is magnetic thing. Battery also. Also vases. These are all iron things, and iron is a magnetic material. Did you enjoy the experiment? Me too. Now let's start the next experiment. Now we will do the second experiment. For that experiment, you need 1 pencil and 2 magnet rings. First, hold the pencil like this and put the both magnets. North Pole, North Pole. How it's happened? The magnet is floating. Isn't it magic? Yes, because North Pole and South Pole fight with each other. We will try to do one more time. North Pole, South Pole. It is sticking to each other because North Pole and South Pole stick to each other. Now we will do the third experiment. This is the iron filling. We will catch with the magnet. 3, 2, 1. Look. It got stick to the magnet because iron is a magnetic material. Now we will do the fourth experiment. The maximum iron filling got stick to this area and this area. It means these are the strong magnetic field. Now we will do with the ring magnet. The strong force is here. It looked like a jungle. Now we will do the same thing with the bar magnet. Its force is here. For more experiments, stay connected with Advik and keep smiling with Advik. Bye bye.